All right, well, it is a busy day trying to get some videos knocked out here on the weekend, so I'm going to try to unlock level 7 as far as productivity goes with a splitter. So if you look really closely to the bottom corner of the screen, you'll see that the 4-way wedge that is traditionally in this LS has been removed. And, you know, because it's the same brute force wedge, yeah, I grabbed the 12-way out of the big processor. So let's see how this LS performs. I've got some maple rounds cut up. They're anywhere from like 10 to 14 inch rounds off the log pile that we got this morning. And just for giggles, I want to see if it does it. So we'll bring the tool cat around, load up the log lift, put the 6-cord bag underneath the table grate, and see how the Play-Doh extruder does on the TWLS. Stay tuned, it's going to be good. So I figured I would show you what I'm talking about. This is the big 12-way out of my 1824 diesel machine. Again, remember that this LS is the entry-level splitter from Timberwolf. It's basically the redesigned semi-pro from Brute Force. You can see there's lots of wedges. Everything's kind of stepped. So we'll see how this does. Again, I don't have anything really super big because the wood pile that came in, they're harvesting everything over 16 inches. So I grabbed, you know, a log off the pile there, got it bucked up. But yeah, it's the same piece. The only difference is from like the bottom of the ear here to the end is like 17 inches. And mine out of the 1824 diesel is a little longer. So as long as this wedge doesn't walk up and drop, we'll be okay. So I just removed the pin there. And I could put it in, but then it makes these bottom ears a little higher. And it's just not going to catch on the 16-inch piece that I want it to. So that's what we have going on. I'm going to grab the tool cat and we'll get ripping.
I'm still laughing. I mean, this is an entry level splitter. Yes, it's right at 9 grand. We'll sell it a touch under just because of that nice price point, but heavens, that's a 12-way wedge on an LS. That's absolutely awesome. Let me grab the camera. We'll wrap this one up and move on to the next. I'm still chuckling to myself on this one. That was that's pretty epic. Again, this one's going to come standard with a 4-way. This is just something of my own doings here. Just I wanted to see what this little splitter was really capable of doing. There's just, whenever there's like an entry level something, usually you're short on a feature. But this thing is so feature rich. You know, the slotted table grate for like a grizzly bar. I mean, all the little bits, you know, came out here. I have some in the bag, but most of it fell before it got to the bag. The wedge, the normal wedge, is hydraulically adjustable. The log lift is standard, and that is transferable side to side. You do get auto cycle and a fast split valve and a Honda electric start, all for $9,000. I think it's a really nice splitter. Boy, it's just, for $9,000, the big spin-on oil filter, oversized hydraulic tank. I couldn't be happier with this, and I know the new customer down in Virginia is absolutely gonna love it. Even when you saw the last video that we did comparing it to the vertical splitter, we put that 4-inch square piece and sent it through the wedge sideways. That's pretty cool. So now putting a 12-way wedge on this, and yeah, there's no shortage of power on this and no shortage of features either. I'm still shocked after running this. If you have any questions, please give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Over on the website, you'll see easy order links for doing the log lift bags, the 3rd cord log lift, the 6th cord log lift, the 3rd cord power lift, and even the barrel bags are all online in 4 different quantities. The pallet being the cheapest. Everything cost-wise is figured in right from the beginning. The bag, the credit card fee, and the shipping, it's all out there first. Again, we are an authorized dealer for Timberwolf. If you want to get this splitter in your wood yard, give us a phone call. You can pick them up here. We can ship them direct. Just would really love to earn your business with that sales quote. So please give me a phone call. My cell phone number is even listed down below here. Call me, text me, email me. Would love to earn your business. This is an outstanding splitter that's going to work wonders in anyone's wood yard. Again, I'm just dumbfounded. A 12-way on an LS. Definitely made working hard to be lazy very easy. Made a 1/6 of a cord in very short time. I'm out of words. This one really impressed me. So call me, email me, text me. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. Even when it's something that we probably shouldn't do, we still do it. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.